Good morning, students. In the last class, we are discussing simplify the following using law of exponents. Here see, yes, law of exponents there. Law of exponents. Yesterday I said some laws here. Bases are equal, powers are different. So bases are equal, powers are different. So powers are added. Next one. Here see, cross out symbol, powers add. Division symbol, powers subtract. Next one. A power minus n equal to 1 by a power n. Next, a power m cross out, b power m equal to ab whole power m. Next, a power a by b whole power m equal to a power m by b power m. So yesterday we are discussing these laws. Now today we are on these laws. We are showing you some problems. See, there one to two problems finished. Yesterday I will show many like 10 problems given homework. You write. I hope your homework everyone finish that homework. Next one, here third problem. Third one, if 5 power 6 cross out 5 power 2x equal to the 5 power 10. 5 power 10, then find x value. Then find x value. Here see, 5 power 6 always equal to given. This is LHS. This is RHS. Why? See, right hand side, this one left hand side. So this is a LHS, this is a RHS. So always equal to given, LHS, RHS are equal. So their x value they are asking. Normally we know here we are using one law. What that law? Here see, law of exponent. Law of exponent, a power m cross out a power n equal to a power m plus n. Here see, bases are equal, powers are different. So here see, bases are equal, powers are different. What we do? Powers are added. Here see, so 5 power 6 cross out 5 power 2x equal to 5 power 10. Bases are equal, so powers add. 5 power 6 plus 2x equal to 5 power 10. Now bases are equal, powers also equal. Here bases are equal, powers also equal. So here base 5 equal. Automatically powers also equal. So 6 plus 2x equal to 10. So these LHS moving to RHS side. Here plus symbol, 6 before no symbol, that means plus symbol. Moving this side, minus symbol coming. 10 minus 6. 2x equal to 10 minus 6, 4. These two moving RHS side, division 4 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So x value how much? 2. Now see 5 power x. 2 into 2 4. So like a substitute term. 5 power x cross out. 5 power 2x equal to 5 power 10. 5 power x cross out. So x value how much? 2. We know. We find out 2. So 5 power 10. 5 power x cross out. 5 power 4. How do you get 4? 2 2s are 4. Bases are equal. Powers 6 plus 4. 5 power 10. 5 power 10. 5 power 10. Now both are equal. RHS, LHS. So write that problem. Next one, here evaluate 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0. Simple. Next one, actually a power 0, how much value? 1. So 2 power 0, 1. 3 power 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Next one, fourth one. Evaluate 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0. So law of exponent. A power 0 value always 1. So 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0 equal to 1 plus 1, 2. Directly we are using the law of exponents. Next one, fifth one. Simplify x power a by x power b whole power a cross out x power b by x power a whole power a cross out x power a by x power a whole power b. So here given 3 exponents. So these 3 exponents we are using simplify. Here see bases are equal? No. Bases are different. So powers are equal? No. Powers also different. So this one how to? We are expanding from method we write. Here see. X power a by x power b whole power a equal plus x power b by x power a whole power a plus x power a whole power b. This one, see, you know law of exponent, which one? This one. Law of exponent. A power b whole power m equal to a power m b power m. See, this is one law of exponent. Now here see, x power a, x power b, whole power a plus x power b, x power a, whole power a plus or cross out? Cross out, yes. X power a, x power a, power b. Now see, x power a, like this one, a by b whole power m equal to a power m. So x power a whole power a. So a into a by x power b into a, cross out. Next, x power b into a by x power a into a, cross out. X power, here see, a into b by x power a into b. Now here x power a into a, how much? A square, x power a square. Next, x power b into a b, cross out. X power b into a b by x power a into a square, cross out. X power a b y a into b, a b, x power a into b. So this is a fraction. Here multiplication symbol given. Numerators all multiply, denominators all multiply. So x power a square, cross out. X power a b, cross out. X power a b by x power a b, cross out. X power a square, cross out. X power a b. Now see, denominator, numerator same number, here cancellation. Here x power a square, x power a square. Here x power a b, here x power a b. Here x power a b, here x power a b. So denominator, numerator has no number, that means 1. Like a denominator, numerator has both are same numbers, that value always 1. So this value how much? 1. X power a, x power b, whole power a, cross out. X power b, x power a, whole power a, cross out. X power a, x power a, whole power b. Value always 1. So next one, here fifth one, state true or false and justify your answer. Here true or false here given. So true or false, what we are find out, that is a true statement or false statement. Here see, state true or false statement. Here see, 10 first one, fifth one. 100 cross out, 10 power 11 is equal to 10 power 30. So this statement true or false. Why? Here L equal to given LHS or RHS both are equal or different. Equal means true statement, different means false statement. Here 100 convert into exponents form. 100 how much? How to write here? See, 10 into 10 how much? 100. 100. 10 into 10 cross out 11. 10 11 power 10 power 11 equal to 10 power 13. Here see, 10 into 10, any two same numbers we are multiplying, that is square numbers. So 10 square. See, 10 two times we are multiplying, plus 10 power 11 equal to 10 power 30. Here bases are equal. We know a power m cross out a power n equal to a power m plus n. See, bases are equal, powers add. So 10 power 2 plus 11 equal to 10 power 13. 10 power 13 equal to 10 power 13. So RHS, LHS both are equal. So 100 cross out 10 power 11 equal to 10 power 13 is a true statement. That is next one. Here see, 3 square cross out 4 power 3 equal to 12 power 5. That statement are true or false. Here see, 3 square, 3 into 3 cross out 4 cube, 4 3 times multiply equal to 12 power 5, 12 5 times multiply. Here 3 into 3 how much? We know that is 3 into 3 9. 4 power 4 into 4 how much? 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 20, 16 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. So 12 into 12 144, 144 into 12 1728, 1728 into 12 20,736 into 12. So here see, 9 cross out, 16 cross out. Here 2,48,832. Here 64 9s are 576 is equal to 2,48,832. So both are equal or different? Different. So now 3 square LHS RHS is not equal. So 3 square cross out 4 power 3 equal to 12 power 5 is false statement. Next one, 4 power cube equal to 8 square. That is true or false they are asking. Next one, here see, third one, 4 power 3 equal to 8 square. Here 4 power 3, 4 3 times you multiply 8 8 square, 8 2 times multiply. So for 4 are 16, 16 4 are 64, 8 8 are 64. So LHS and RHS both are equal. Yes. So now here see 4 power 3 8 square is true statement. True statement. Next one, 5 power 0 and 1 lakh power 0. So power always 0, that value always constant. That value always how much? 1. That is a true statement. Here see, fourth one, 5 power 0, 1 lakh power 0. So 5 power 0, 1 lakh power 0. So 5 power 0 value 1 equal to 1. RHS equal to LHS. So 5 power 0, 1 lakh power 0 is true statement. Next one, 2 power 3 3 square. 2 power 3 greater than 3 square. Here see, 2 power 3. 2 power 3 how much value? 2 cross out, 2 cross out, 2. 8. 3 square how much value? 3 cross out 3, 9. So here given 8 greater than 9. So this is a true or false statement? False statement. So not equal. Now here 2 power 3 greater than 3 square is false statement. False. Next, sixth one, minus 2 whole power 4 less than greater than minus 3 whole power 4. Here this is also wrong statement. Minus 2 cross out, minus 2 cross out, minus 2 cross out. Minus 2 whole power 4 value minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Here see, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. So plus into plus, plus 16. As it is. Here simple power odd number coming, here minus coming. Power even number coming, here plus coming. Minus 3 cross out, minus 3 cross out, minus 3 cross out, minus 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Here minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. So here this is a bigger value or this is a bigger value. Minus 3 power 4 is a bigger value, but here given false statement. So minus 2 power 4 less than minus 3 power 4 is not greater than this is. So minus 2 whole power 4 greater than minus 3 whole power 4 is false statement. Next one, as is that like a given, you write. So only in this next problem is a homework. Next one, expressing the large numbers in standard form. Now here see, express large number in standard see, express the large numbers in standard form. Here 550,000. Here 5,50,000. This is a one problem. So this one we are converting standard form. How to write here? See, 54 cross out 10,000. Yes, sorry, 10,000. So these 54 cross out 10,000. How to write? 100 cross out 100. Next, 54 cross out. Here 100. How to write? 10 into 10. Next, 10 into 10. Now see, 54 cross out. Now 10, how many times we are multiplying? 4 times. So 10 power 4. Yes. See here, in the standard form, a number of express the product of the largest number. We are exponent 10 and 1 to 10 between. Next one, another problem. Like one example I say here, the distance between Earth to the mass of the Earth. The mass of the Earth. Weight, mass means like that is a physics word. Simple I said weight. Earth is weight here. 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cages. What this number? See, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. Trillion, 10 trillions, 100 trillions, 1,000 trillions. Like a trillions numbers. Here see. So this one how to convert a standard form? 5,976. Here how many zeros? 21 zeros. So 10 power 21 cages. That like. Next one, exercise 8.3. in this last exercise in this chapter there is just 4 problems. Here exercise 11.3. First one, here see, the distance between earth and moon approximately, here given distance between earth and moon. How much distance? How much here? Here see, 384 millions. 384 millions meters. Here see, we are converting standard form. Standard form. 384 cross out 10 power 6. Why 10 power 6 right on? Here see, meters. Now 384 cross out 10 power 6. Why here 6 zeros? So 10 6 times we are multiplying. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 384 point cross out 10 power 6. Here this is a standard form. No. So now numerator denominator multiply with a 10. 384 3.84 cross out 10 power 6 into 10 square. Here see, 383.84 cross out 10 power 8 meters. That is a standard form. Next one, the universe